Hello students, today we are going to learn about phrases. But before moving into our topic, let's see one example. In New Delhi, what is this student? It is a group of words. Is it making complete sense? No, it is not making complete sense. It is making some sense. It is not a sentence. It has neither a subject nor a predicate. It cannot stand alone. Is it conveying any meaning or thought? No, it is not conveying any meaning or thought. It has no meaning if used alone. So, we need to put these words into a sentence to make complete sentence. Means we can say, my friend lives in New Delhi. Now, it is making complete sense. Means students, now let's see definition of phrase. Phrases are the group of words which make sense but not complete sense and do not have finite verb are called phrases. Students, here are more examples. To find fault, in the field, under the tree, behind the curtain, on the bed. These are only group of words. We need to put these phrases into sentence to make complete sense. Means here we can say, to find fault is easy. The children are playing in the field. The boy is standing under the tree. Now we can say a phrase is usually a part of a sentence and it does not contain a finite verb. And students, remember one more thing, that a phrase may contain infinitives, as in example number 2. To find fault, it's an infinitive. Now let's see types of phrases. There are 5 types of phrases. First one, noun phrase. Second one, verb phrase. Third one, adjective phrase. Fourth one, adverb phrase. Fifth one, prepositional phrase. Now we will discuss them one by one. First one, noun phrase. A noun phrase that functions as a noun in a sentence is called a noun phrase. Means we can say it contains a noun and other associated words which modifies noun. Student, remember one thing. Okay, firstly let's see one example. A woman in the window shouted for help. Means what is noun phrase in this sentence? A woman in the window is a noun phrase. And student, remember one thing. Firstly, identify the verb and ask what verb or verb what to find out the noun phrase. Means here we can say woman is a noun and in the window, just describing noun. So a woman in the window is a noun phrase. In other words, student, we can say here the woman in the window shouted for help. Means we can say what is verb shouted. Means we can say what shouted for help. Then we get the answer, a woman in the window. Then it will be noun phrase. Second one, we like to watch good movies. The phrase to watch good movies means it a noun phrase. Means the phrase to watch good movies. Answer the question. We like what? We like what means to watch good movies. It's a noun phrase. It acts as the subject of the verb. Subject of the verb means like. It acts as a noun. And next, I love clicking pictures. Here, the phrase clicking pictures. Answer the question. I love what? Then we get the answer. Clicking pictures. It acts as the object of the verb love. Means the verb clicking is a gerund and not a finite verb. The group of words acts as a noun. And next, Mary wanted to cook dinner. Here what is verb? Wanted. So what wanted Mary? So we get the answer, to cook dinner. So to cook dinner is here noun phrase. I think noun phrase is clear to you all. Next, second one is verb phrase. What is verb phrase? A verb phrase is a group of main verb and helping verb within a sentence. Example, she has finished her work. Here, has finished is a verb phrase. Finished is the main verb and has is the helping verb. So has finished is a verb phrase. In second example, you should study for exams. Here, should study is a verb phrase. Study is the main verb and should is the helping verb. Okay, students, let's see next type of phrase. Next is adjective phrase. An adjective phrase is a group of words that does the work of an adjective in a sentence. Means we can say adjective phrase modifies noun. Remember it. Now you can see example. I am very happy with this work. Happy is an adjective. You know, happy is adjective. And very is just helping word for word happy. Means helping word. Okay, now it will be very happy will be adjective phrase. And in second example, the cost of the car is way too high. Here high is an adjective, you know, and way too just helping words for word high. So it will be adjective phrase. And next one, adverb phrase. A phrase that performs the function of an adverb in a sentence is called an adverb phrase. And students, you know adverb phrase modifies verb. Example, they ran really fast. Here fast is an adverb, you know, and really is just providing more information about the adverb fast. So really fast is adverb phrase here. Second one, he walked in a slow manner. Means we know that an adverb describes a verb. We know very well that an adverb describes a verb. In this example, the phrase in a slow manner describes the verb walked. So it is performing the function of an adverb. We can call the phrase an adverb phrase. And students, remember one thing. Firstly, find the verb and then identify the phrase that answer how, when, where, verb. Means in example number 1, what is verb? Ran. Ran is verb. Means here we get the answer how they ran. Means really fast. Then answer is really fast. So it will be adverb phrase. And in second example, you can say he walked. Walked is verb. So we can say how he walked in a slow manner. It's very simple. Means it's an adjective phrase. Third one, prepositional phrase. A prepositional phrase consists of a preposition, object of preposition, means noun or pronoun, and may also consist of other modifiers. Example means we can say in the garden, on the roof, under the tree, behind the curtain. These are the example of prepositional phrase. As an adjective, the prepositional phrase will answer the question which one. Now here is some example. And student, remember one thing. A prepositional phrase starts with a preposition and mostly ends with a noun or pronoun. A prepositional phrase functions as an adjective or adverb in a sentence. Means you can see example in the garden, means in a preposition, and garden is a noun, means we can say that prepositional phrase starts with a preposition and mostly ends with noun or pronoun. It is clear? Now let's see example. He is sleeping on the carpet. Here on is the preposition and the carpet is the whole prepositional phrase. Now student, let's see second example. He always speaks in loud voice. Here in is the preposition and loud voice is the whole prepositional phrase. And the third one, the gift inside the big box is for my brother. Here inside is the preposition and the big box is the whole prepositional phrase. Okay, students, now we can say inside is a preposition and box is also noun. And we now I told you that prepositional phrase start with a preposition and mostly ends with a noun or pronoun. Okay, students, I hope this video will help you to understand phrases very well.